Hey guys, it's Ashley from Dietary Reviews, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the Nurture Life subscription. This is a meal delivery subscription for children, which is really interesting. As you can see on the side, babies, tots, kids, so they do babies, toddlers, and young children. There's meals in here for all my children, I believe. I went through a couple menu items and picked some things that I thought they'd like. This box is huge. Just to give you a frame of reference, here's my hand on it. It's big. It does have my address over on the other side, so I kind of am trying to not, there. All right, so sorry, we're in my like unboxing zone. Because, you know, these boxes are time sensitive. You can't just leave them sit and wait in a queue. So I wanted to get this done right away. I do have a coupon code EATWELL30 for $30 off your first order. I'll put the pricing below. It does vary. So here you have these. Oh, this is interesting how they have this. I've never seen it. Look at that. That's cool. So it's got like almost like insulation. Crazy, right? All right, so you open it up. And I did pick out some things that, now, these are, first of all, it's a healthy meal delivery. So this is all good food. Like, this isn't minimally processed, all that stuff. They're ready in 3 minutes or less, which is great because if you're in a pinch and you need something real quick, that's awesome. Here's one of these Viking bags that keep everything cold. And here are our meals. So, first, we've got Minestrone Stew, growing up eating well. Now, I wonder if they tell you this. Now it tells you right here. This is for a toddler, 1 to 3 years old. Then you've got mac and cheese with cauliflower. This is for kids 4 to 8 years old. How awesome is that? Yummy. Okay, then we've got pork al pastor with fajita veggies and quinoa. This is good for kids 9 to 13 years old. So also, they asked me like if my kids had like things that they didn't eat. My kids basically eat almost anything. Like, they're very not picky. They eat pretty well. So they're used to eating vegetables and stuff. But you can, if your kids, so you can tell them things that your children won't eat. And basically, you'll get meals that they will eat, which is awesome, right? So this is one of the ones that I picked personally. I thought this sounded really good. Peas, cheese, and tortellini. These are all things that my kids love. This is for 1 to 3 years old. As you can see, they're frozen. I think that it says they're hand-packed with care. Tray and seal are 100% recyclable, contains dairy, eggs, and wheat. And then you do get the full ingredients list there. Vivian is right next to me now, so she's gonna be chatting in the background. All right, next meal is peas, cheese, and tortellini. And then there's another layer, guacamole. Ooh, this is the other one I saw. I was like, ooh, that sounds delicious. This is orange chicken with fried rice. This is great. Like, this is a whole meal. And it almost sounds like adult. Like, this is something you'd order. Not you, but as an adult, you'd order. Then we have the veggie fried rice, which sounds dang delicious. I might steal one of these. 4 to 8 years old. No, I won't. I'm trying to cut out carbs. Anyway. All right. So then we have more orange chicken with fried rice. This is also for 1 to 3 years old. Oh my goodness. Teriyaki salmon with brown rice. So this is good for kids 9 to 13. This would be perfect for Penelope. And we are coming up on like summer vacation. So my kids will be home for lunch. They do not have access to a microwave at school. However, they'll be home for lunch in the summer. So this is a great idea for summer lunches for kids that are hot. You know, if you don't maybe have time, if you guys are on the go, you try to, you know, do all those fun activities and work around nap times as well. This is a good idea. And salmon, yum. All right, then our final box here is more cheese ravioli with beef bolognese. Oh, that sounds so yummy. This is for kids 4 to 8 as well. And then right underneath, we have another Viking pack, and then more of this super cool padding. I think this is so neat. It definitely travels well in this. I think that's awesome. So let me know what you guys think down below. I'm going to do a full review on my blog, so check that out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.